Hello everyone, I just wanted to share a quick video with you about how to access EBSCOhost and Proquest for your sources in this class. It's a fairly simple thing to do. You have access to a ton of information here at the SMCC website since you're a student here, and EBSCO and Proquest are both going to be databases that you'll need to use for other classes as well, so it's a good thing to get to know how to do. So the first thing we're going to do is go to www.smccme.edu, which is our homepage. Click on My SMCC, and then log in. You can see I'm already logged in, but there'll be a tab right around here that says Login. You're going to click on that, log in your information, and then you'll get to this page. You're going to want to go to My Main Guide, and then on My Main Guide, there's 6 different circles here: my degree, my courses, my career and transfer, my student life, my money, and my learning. We are looking for my learning. So we click on that, and then you'll see something down here that says the library. You can find research sources here, which is what we're looking for: magazine articles, newspapers, academic journals. You can also find books. Online articles is a place to start too, and search for multimedia. This is where you'll find videos, and there's a lot of great documentaries and films in this section. We're looking for online articles, so we're going to click on that, and you'll see a box that comes up for Proquest and for EBSCOhost. These are the two that we use in this class primarily. Proquest is great for, like I said, it's great for articles and newspapers and scholarly journals. So is EBSCOhost, and they work pretty much the same. I tend to use Proquest. It's a little more user-friendly. So for our research paper this semester, we're looking at changes that we'd like to see for an education. One thing that I'm always interested in is music education and the benefits of music education. So I might just start here: benefits of music education in high school. That limits it and narrows it a little bit. We'll search. Since you're logged in, you're not going to need to log in again. And what's interesting here is that we've found some articles, but these are about a benefit: local musical festival to benefit, local musical festival to benefit. So these two are more about, like, events we could go to perhaps give money to a music organization. This one right here is very interesting: high value put on music, Gullickson firm believer in benefits of music education. That might be a great one. The impact of music education on academic achievement in reading, and I would imagine in writing. This looks like a great one. We can see right away that we have full text articles, so that's what we need. We want a full text article, and this one even has a quick look that we could take a look at. That would just give us perhaps an abstract or a summary. If you wanted to narrow this, because we have 526,349 results, there's a couple ways to do it. First of all, we have it limited to full text, so that's good. These are all articles we can read. We could choose source type. So if we wanted a scholarly journal, something that was produced out of a college, we could start there, or even newspapers. And I like to sometimes limit it by date. So maybe something more current, the last 12 months. We could also look at different subjects. None of these pertain to us except students and education. Dividends and stockholders have nothing to do with that. But certainly education would be a good one to take a look at. And maybe there's a certain publication title that you like, a specific newspaper that you'd like to take a look at. One thing, like I said, that I like to do is at least limit it to a time frame. So if we clicked on 12 months, just the last 12 months, this would take us to just stuff that's come out in the last 12 months in terms of this topic. And again, just looking at the titles, there might be something here that would help us. Alright, so that's Proquest. Anything that you get that you'd like to use, you can always see the full text, but also, when you click on it, easily cite it. Download the PDF, but also get a citation for it that you can use in your Works Cited page. And we're using MLA standards, so we click down here, the MLA 7th edition, and it gives us the perfect MLA citation. Alright, I hope this helps a little bit. This is Proquest. You can use EBSCOhost as well. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always email me about this as well.